After I took the panel off, I'm gonna take his light out. See that one right there? That's what we're gonna take out. So, with your bare hands, see, it already wants to come out. Come listen to my podcast. Not come out. So let's get both hands and get this puppy down. Giraffe, damn it. All right, so with both hands, made it so much easier. We lost one in the door, and that is somewhere right there. Looks to be one 10 mil and two 10 mil, and then the plug is right here. So let's get it out and see if that's all you need. I think there's another bolt, but I don't think so. I don't see it. Let's see if it's just jammed in there. So with some investigating, it's actually overlapped, as like everything else in this car. So we got to get this off first. And then we have 8 mils. One there, one there, one there, and one over here. So let's get them out and see what happens. So with more investigative work, I'm gonna get this rubber out after I popped all these pins out. You see? They're all just pushies. And ones that want to stay behind, you see? You gotta get that out. Oh look, more screws or bolts. So let's get those out and let's get the light out. All right, yeah. Now we can't close the door because we won't be able to open it. But here you go. Let's get this out and see the part number. Don't forget to plug it in. Yeah. Did you make sure the rubber's in all the way? Yeah? Did you? Good. Now let's get this guy out. And I'm going to show you what I didn't show you on the other side. That is what holds in the rest of it. So one bolt there, one bolt on the outside, and this just pops in. So you got to do it on the other side too. I just rocked it back and forth. That's all. So let's snap it back in and call it a day. Make sure you plug it in, yeah. Now what you want to do is just line it up and pop it in. There you go. Leave the sweat marks. So put the 8 mils back after you pull this back and call it a day with like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.